Autodesk is bringing together human creativity and machine learning to automate and accelerate the product development process. Generative design is a form of artificial intelligence that leverages the power of the cloud to create better products. You can explore multiple solutions in less time than it takes to develop a single concept using traditional methods with powerful capabilities that allow you to evaluate multiple manufacturing methods, additive, subtractive, and casting. All optimized for the equipment on your shop floor. Balance optimal performance with accurate insights to understand the cost implications of different production methods earlier in your workflow. Connect with world-class simulation tools for additional design validation to achieve smarter solutions and superior outcomes. Amplify your team's ability to innovate with generative design in Autodesk Fusion 360. Make anything.